I'm the thing slayer. Playing games, home feeling up my layers. Fuck a hater, I'ma blame it on the navigator. Never get a paper, but I got a pair of boots that was different from alligator. Fuck boy, I see you later, keep your mouth shut. I don't fuck with traitors, gotta make it dead in this world, gotta find a paper. Cherry from my leg, bitch, I spread it on my bread like a baker. Bitch, I fuck the song like a nigga. Let me sink down, I don't need a lifesaver. Bitch, I made a fucking promise to the devil that I'll treat my fucking soul, so I'll settle with a motherfucking razor.
Saw your health bar go down.
Walk into the money for sisters I got. Chalk drawing lines with a body inside. Ride with the blade or the mag with a gauge. Little gauge in the bag, make the blunt rotate. No fucking role model, I died before 40. Got hands on me now, I pop more in the morning. Bitches be snapping they tits but it's born. Rather that hydrocodone when I'm pouring. That codeine too weak for a fiend with a tolerance. Stripping that fuck her once, then I gon' round a bitch. Gray in my eyes and my heart don't feel nothing. My fucking drug use never up for discussion. Forever, ever, put a yellow. Tombstone, hella read a 666, and that's forever.